Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Gotta hurry up before these mosquitoes and gnats try to jack me up. But anyway, Dude and Dudettes, hey, what up? Today we're gonna forego the Among Us tip because I am too daggum excited. So before I get started, gotta give a shout out to my my guy, Stage3 MotoWerks, Teddy, my guy. I appreciate you. This is I finally got some gear to come in, and I was so excited about this gear. I've been waiting on this gear since they announced that they were making this. So I got my guy Teddy. I was like, yo, I want to be one of the first to have this. I have to have it. And my man worked it out for me. So I'm not going to delay this episode too long. By the title, you already know what it is. So we're about to jump into it. This is the new helmet for Dude Mungus. And this is not actually the only helmet. We have 2 more helmets. They're already in-house. We have 2 more helmets. I wonder if you guys can guess what they are. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. The helmet. Oh, so excited. I'm trying not to give it away. Anyway. This is it right here. So the helmet came in actually a day early. I am way too excited for this. Way too excited. So I just want to give you guys an unboxing and let you know what it's looking like on the scrum diddle if I can get it there. Yes, anyone that knows me knows I am an HJC guy. I promise the Rpha 11 Pro, it was like they took a mold of my head while I was asleep and they stuck it on and they was like, yeah, Mungus, this is it. Because that is like the best helmet that's been. It fits me so perfect. All right. Performance reinvented. What we got in here? Just kind of what you can expect. Oh, pin lock system is a must. For daily riders, this pin lock prevents the shield from fogging up. And then we have tear-offs for any of you guys that want to be doing the racing and stuff like that. I might use these because, you know, with the bat I be rolling, but we gonna get those a little bit later. We gonna hit them with the floss, file them and pluck them. Oh, alright. Comes with some things on the side. What is this? This is additional accessory enclosed. Let's see what this is. Oh, chin curtain. Oh, and I got some stickers. Got my 5 horsepower. And we got instructions. Hit it with the floss, file them and pluck them. Oh, this is it right here. This is it right here. Oh, this is the, oh, hold on, I gotta break this thing. I'm acting like a rookie. There we go, get off, get off there. This is the, wow, this is the shield, that goes on the back. So this is a, not shield, spoiler. So this is a additional spoiler that can go on the back right here. This is the spoiler that can give you some extra aerodynamics. So we will look into that at a later date because I will be getting something 100% fully customized. All right, I'm not gonna set it up all the way because I'm not for sure what I'm doing with it, but this is just kind of a mock-up what this wing will look like on the back of there. So hopefully you can see it. It's gonna be, don't drop it, man. I don't want to put it all the way in there if I'm not using it, but it's gonna be pretty sick. What's in this other box? Performance reinvented. What's in here? This one's empty, so only the one had the spoiler in it. Wow, that's actually, it's pretty light. I was expecting it to be much, I don't know what I was expecting. I just wasn't expecting it to be that daggone light. All right, let's get this bad boy open. I'm excited. I've been waiting on this helmet. When they made this helmet, I was like, if that doesn't fit the bat perfectly, oh my gosh. That is freaking beautiful. MotoGP inspired Pol Espargaró. Wow. Oh, that looks good. Got the vent up front. I got some learning to do. Oh, you got multiple stages up there? Yo. Got the lock, shield lock. I don't know how to work nothing. I think I just locked it. Ah, okay, now it's unlocked. Okay, I got you. I got you. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very nice. Got the vents up here. Oh, this is gonna be money. This feels like a very well-made helmet. Like the quality feels good. It feels sturdy. Nice. No chin vent on the inside. Oh, so this is a chin curtain extender. So this will extend it a little bit. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh heck yeah. Let me dang, this didn't come with another. It didn't come with a tinted visor. Dang, I thought they came with the visor. So we definitely gonna have to get a tinted or some kind of shielded, some kind of colored visor for this, because we can't be rolling around clear McGee over here. Classic D-ring setup. Helmet is new. Definitely a tight fit. But it's gonna break. Oh, this is gonna feel great. Man. It already feels bad. Oh crap. I have to admit, I love this visor system. It's a bunch of detents or whatever you call it. Oh, that feels amazing. Locked it. But anyway, man, Dude and Dudettes, this is the new Pol Espargaró HJC N1 helmet. That is beautiful. Y'all keep rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus. Dave's Designs. I've always wanted a helmet by him too, because I'll be watching that dude on Instagram. And this helmet is homologated too. Sheesh. Alright.
Boom shakalaka. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake.